They sell paper clips in these little boxes, so it's basically for free. But I just used it to uh, mount a thermostat that is $5. So basically, this configuration. Wait, it's not $5, just four. So this is like $4, the whole configuration, whatever you call it, the whole contraption. Yeah, that's it. And you can hang it anywhere. You don't have to mount a mounting plate and drill holes into the wall. You just hang it wherever. And here's the sensor, which is which has a 30 centimeter wire, and yeah, you can pull it out of the box. So what I need to do still, after mounting it with two screws, PC screws, and using my new drill bit, that's 2.5 millimeters, it sits perfectly. So what I need to do is put the longer wire for power. This needs 12 volts. So I need about a 2 meter wire, and that should look like something like this. This is 2 meters, and I need to put some solder on the tip. I mean on the end of the wire. That's how I usually do it. I should use one of those cramp down things, but I never, I never, I don't agree with that method. I don't know why. It's clean and stuff, but I don't think it solidifies the conductor as the uh, solder, because the solder covers all surfaces and unites the strands, wire strands, and yeah, I don't know, I just like it much better. So let's see, a little bit of solder. I need to change the tip. Oh, and it's not arranged properly. Come on. Yeah. So this will go into those what do you call it? You just screw it in and it tightens the hole for the cable. I don't know what it's called. I've seen several different solutions like that. This one is kind of weak because it's in soft plastic, so if you tighten too much it will jump out of its place, and yeah, that's bad. But we're not using high current here. We only need like 1 watt. When the relay is activated, it uses 1.5 watts maybe, and for the screen to light up. So yeah, it's not too bad. So where's my screwdriver? Where's my screwdriver? Where's my screwdriver? Oh, here it is. Thank you. Yeah, let's loosen it up. Get out this testing thing and put in the two wires. Let's pull this one out too, so we have some space there. Come on. Oh, this is thick. That's what she said. But yeah, this is kind of maybe I'll need another hole for this. But for now, let's just try to put in the wires in their proper place. No, it won't go in. We need to loosen it some more. Now you have to push it in. I don't remember. What? I don't really understand this system. Oh, it's... Wait. If I take it all the way out... it's crappy. Hold on. Can I flatten this with something? Or... what can I do? Just try it harder. Yep. That works. Trying harder works. Tighten it down as far as it goes, just a bit. It doesn't have to be too tight. And the other one is slightly thinner, so it should go in easier. Yeah. Now it goes in easier. So yeah, there's the 12 volt there and the ground. Okay. This is for the power supply. And I'll still have to find another cable for the actual relay that starts and stops the heating. And let's connect this cable to the plug. That's for a simple 12 volt power supply that will stay in a socket. And yeah, this needs more solder maybe, and then I'll show you how this thing works. Come on, it's not tightened properly. What's the problem here with this soldering iron? Nope, it's not loose. Then what? I just burned out the tip. Oh boy. So red wire to red wire, that's hard. Who can remember that? And black wire to black wire. And don't let them touch. I'll put something between them. But as I soldered them, they can't touch in this position. Maybe I'll just put hot glue on it. That's the best solution. So yeah, now I can power it up. And let me show you the menu, at least as far as I got in the menu. So, why is it sliding all over the place? That's annoying. Okay, it's powered on. And the relay is open because it's set for 20 degrees. So to set the temperature you want, you press set, hold it down. Ooh. And it's the 0 program. What? I don't remember that. So you just press it once, and then you set the temperature you want. I think I want 22. Okay, press set. I think. Yes, okay. And if you want to set something else, I mean, I found on P0, if you choose that and set that, that will determine the amount of tolerance. So the thermostat won't kick on as soon as it drops below 22 degrees. It has to drop to 21.5. That's what I set here. So let me see if I can get it again. P1, P0 set heat, so it's lower value, or so it will turn on when it drops down to this degree. And where do I set the P1 set? Yeah, here it is, 0.5 degrees. So you can increase this or decrease it potentially to smooth out the temperature so you don't get spikes and drops and stuff. But yeah, for an average heating unit that runs on natural gas and water pump and radiators, for that it's good for to use 0.5 or maybe even 1 degree, so it doesn't start and stop all the time. That would be really bad for the motors and stuff. So I found 0.5 is good. Mechanical thermostats, they vary a lot. Some of them even take 2 degrees to turn on. And yeah, it's not ideal, but you can set it as you want. Into the other settings I didn't go into. There are some delays you can set, and also time-based programming, but I don't need that. This will need to be turned on all the time and keep the room temperature at yeah, I'll need 20 degrees. That's enough. Maybe even lower if the bills get too high. And yeah, so now you just press set, I think, and let it get out of the menu. If you leave it like this, it will get out of the menu, I think. Yeah, and now it shows the current temperature. And let me can I activate it? No, I can't. I can't bring down the temperature to 21.5. That's hard because my body heat is heating it up. So can I? In the room there's no heat now. It's 20 degrees, so maybe it will go down. Nah, whatever. I'll just tell you. There's an LED here that will turn on when the relay is activated. So you'll know when the heating is on, even if you don't hear anything. This red light will tell you. I still have to put something on it so it will be noticeable because it's the same color as the screen. So that's a bit confusing. But I'll put a transparent plastic there and it will have a shape. So maybe even write out on or something on the piece of plastic so it will be clear that it's on. So at 21.4 it should turn on. 21 or 21.5? I don't remember if it's exactly. Now, you see, there's the red LED and it turned on. And it will turn off at 22. So I'm going to place my hand on the sensor and it turned off at 22. So this is a 20. I mean, how many? 20 lei? That's $4 for a thermostat. And the cheapest mechanical thermostat you can get for $10. $10 is the cheapest. And that's not smart, not anything. You just have a dial and turn it, and yeah, hopefully it turns on when you want. Nothing to program. So yeah, this is kind of genius.